Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you my first impressions of Stella Canfield's Master Artist Set number 2 from Daniel Smith. I will also give away one of Daniel Smith watercolors. If you are curious about this set and would like to take part in the giveaway, then stay tuned and let's get started. Trying out signature palettes made and used by professional artists is a treat for me, so I have decided to give a go to Stella Canfield's Master Artist Set number 2. I chose this set because I found the selection of colors rather interesting, and they felt as they are way outside of my comfort zone. As a matter of fact, from 6 colors in this set, I have tried only one before, while other 5 are a completely new territory for me. The colors included in the set are Pyrrole Orange, Rhodonite Genuine, Cerulean Blue, Cobalt Blue Violet, Green Yellow, and a famous Moon Glow. Let's start one by one, and then I will also show you a sketch that I made with colors from this palette only. Pyrrole Orange is an absolute gorgeous orange color, made with pigment PO73. It is very intense, quite opaque, and I fell in love with it at the first brush stroke. Rhodonite Genuine is probably one of the main reasons why I got this set. It is the only Primatech color in this selection and is a gentle rose color which is yet very strong in the mixes and makes an absolutely gorgeous rose peach color when mixed with Pyrrole Orange. Cerulean Blue is probably my least favorite here, to be honest. While it has a beautiful tone of the morning sky, it has its usual for Cerulean Blue pigment soapy consistency, which I'm not a fan of. However, if you like granulation, this color would definitely be of interest to you. Cobalt Blue Violet is a gem of the set. It consists of 2 pigments, PB28 and PV19, and you can see right on the palette how beautifully it separates into 2 different shades. Green Yellow is the only color in this collection that has a light fastness rating of 2 and consists of 2 yellow pigments, PY150 and PY3, and a green pigment, PG36. Unfortunately, this means that I will most likely be using this color in my sketches only, as I try to stick to pigments with longest longevity. The last but not the least is Moon Glow. You have probably already heard a lot about this color, so I'm not going to go into the details here. For the swatching, I'm using my own tube, and the 5 ml tube of Moon Glow I'm giving away to one of my lovely viewers. Would you like to know how to get this tube? Then keep watching and I will tell you how to take part in the giveaway later on. After playing around with the colors a bit and checking different mixes, I decided to make a floral painting, as this is what Stella Canfield chose as the cover for the box of this palette. I'm painting in my Strathmore 100% cotton mixed media sketchbook that I have already mentioned in my previous video. I'm starting with a very loose sketch, just for me to know where different elements should go. I start with the flowers and quickly realize how much I miss yellow as a mixing color here. I love using it to warm up the painting here and there, but this time I had to work with what I've got, and I stuck to the colors from the set. My favorite colors became Pyrrole Orange and Cobalt Blue Violet. I think Pyrrole Orange is a great replacement for Cadmium Orange when you need some bright accents in your paintings, while Cobalt Blue Violet is amazing for background effects. I also loved that it was very easy to lift off the paper, which is a technique that I use a lot. Rhodonite Genuine is also absolutely beautiful. While not being a very strong color, it is still rather pigmented and has a very special warm tint. I really enjoy the way it looks on paper. And of course, Moon Glow. It is a beautiful color without any doubt. It works amazingly for shadows and many other things. So, if you would like to get this tube of Moon Glow, then write in the comments below which Daniel Smith watercolor is the most beautiful in your opinion. The giveaway will continue till this video hits 1000 views. So if you are watching it now and it is not there yet, then hurry up, leave a comment down below with your favorite Daniel Smith color and I'll pick a winner at random. Now, back to the set. While I love the colors, I do not think this is a good beginner set. The paints have a special character to them, and it might be difficult to control the final result. However, if you already have a well-established palette and are looking for ways to spice it up or push your skills even further, then this set would be a great pick for you. Personally, I will keep playing with the set till I learn the colors a bit better and see if any of them will make it to my main palette. Have you tried any of the other Daniel Smith watercolor sets? Were they worth it? Or are there any of them that you would like me to try as well on my channel? Let me know in the comments down below. And this is it for now. Thank you for staying till the end, and see you in my next video. Bye!